Super Easy Drawings.
Hello everyone, and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel.
Today we are going to draw and color a cute little bird.
Let's start drawing.
First I'm going to draw a simple little bird like this. Then I draw its cute eye. Its beak. Then I draw its body. With its wings. I draw its tail and its two legs. Then a big tree here. I draw the trunk. Cute!
Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring.
Now let's color yellow, pink for its cheek. To color, I'm going to use the colors of the rainbow. I start with the color red here, like this. Then I use orange, yellow, then light green, light blue, purple, and pink, light violet, I color the tree brown. Then light green. Dark green. I love it! Amazing!
If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.